And everyone, welcome back to English with Tanveer. Today's topic is Advanced 3.
Are you tired of overcrowded urban living? Do you dream of a spacious suburban home? If so, it's time for you to check out Hillview, an exclusive new community located in the heart of Orchard Country. Since construction began on Hillview last year, hundreds of families have purchased homes and property here. Hillview is considered to be one of the best real estate investments you can make. Here's what one of our newest homeowners had to say.
I never liked living in the city. Nevertheless, for years I put up with all the problems that seemed to be fundamental to urban living. Then, last month, my sweet, innocent dog, Fluffy, got run over by a speeding taxi. At that moment, I realized it was essential that I get out of the city once and for all. So I bought a home in Hillview. It's beautiful and relaxing here, as well as being safe for pets.
Construction is almost complete on the remarkable recreational facilities and shopping center being built for our homeowners' convenience. Right now at Hillview, prices are temporarily reduced, so don't delay. Take action today. Come visit our model home. Take Highway 99 to the Big Beaver Monument, then turn right and follow the flags. Now that Hillview is here, things are looking up.
The end. Answering listening radio. It's what is Hillview? An orchard, a recreational facility, a spacious suburban house, a new exclusive housing estate. Answer is correct. What is being built at Hillview but isn't quite ready yet? A monument, a model home, a shopping center, Highway 99. A shopping center. Answer is correct. The advertisement describes a spacious and exclusive new neighborhood in the center of town. False, true, false. How do you get to the Hillview model home? Take Highway 69 and follow the flags. Take Highway 99 and turn left at the flags. Take Highway 99 and turn right at the monument. Take Highway 55 and turn right at the moment. What? Take Highway 99 and turn right at the moment. Answer is correct. What is the purpose of having a customer speak as part of this advertisement? To convince listeners that Hillview is a great buy, to appeal to pets, to be convinced that Hillview is a great buy, to tell listeners how much Hillview properties cost, to convince listeners and that Hillview is a great buy. Answer is correct. The end. Subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Goodbye.